Hi everyone, welcome to maths video. We are on chapter 24 and exercise 24a, question number 8. Okay, let us see question number 8. In the given figure, if a equals to 130 and then find b. So which is the figure? You can see figure here. Two angles are given, angle A and angle B, right? So angle A is 130 degree. This particular angle is A. This angle A is 130 degree. It is clear. It is given clearly in the question that angle A is 130. You have to find 130 degree. You have to find angle B. Okay. So let us see how to find angle B. So A is equal to 130 degree and B we have to find out. So figure is this. So but if you see the figure, you will understand that this, if we add this completely, if we add this angle completely, it becomes complete angle, that is 360 degree, right? So we will use that concept here. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 360 degree. So angle A plus angle B is equal to 360 degree, complete angle. Also, the sum of angles around a point is 360 degree. This we have learnt that this is the point, and around point whatever angles are there, their sum will be 360 degree. Okay. So A plus B is equal to 360 degree. So what is the value of A given? The value of A given is 130. So instead of A, wherever A is there, write 130 degree plus B as it is equal to 360 degree. So LHS is 130 degree plus B and RHS is 360 degree. To find B, what we have to do is we have to transpose 130 degree to right hand side to get the value of B. So B should be kept in LHS and transpose plus 130 becomes minus 30 when transposed to RHS. So 360 degree minus 130 degree gives you 230 degree. Okay, what is important here is transposing 130 degree to RHS. So during transposition your sign changes, means numbers sign change. Okay. So next, see the same thing. B is equal to, now figure is same but again the values have changed. B is equal to 200 degree. A is equal to question mark, means find A. So same concept. A plus B is equal to 360 degree. Okay, if it is a straight line then 180 degree, but here 360 degree. So A plus B is equal to 360 degree. Value of A we don't know, we have to find out, plus B. B is 200 degree is equal to 360 degree. So we have to transpose plus 200 to right hand side. So A as it is to LHS is equal to 360, which is there already in the right hand side, plus 200 becomes minus 200 when brought from LHS to RHS. Okay, always transposing from left hand side to right hand side or right hand side to left hand side, you have to change the signs. Okay, so A is equal to 160 degree. 360 degree minus 200 degree is 160 degree. Now third is given. A is 5 by 3 right angle. 5 by 3 of right angle, find B. So now let us see what is the value of A first. A is not directly given. A is indirectly given, that 5 by 3 of right angle. Right angle is what? 90 degree. Okay, the value of A is given indirectly. So 5 by 3 multiplied by 90 degree because it is right angle. So 3 ones are 3 30s are. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 3 zeros are 0. So 5 into 30 is 150 degree. So A is equal to 150 degree. So value of A is given. We have to find value of B. Method is same. A plus B is equal to 360 degree. So value of A is 150 degree plus B is equal to 360 degree. So B is equal to 360 minus 150 degree. Why? This plus 150 is transposed to RHS. It became minus 150. Rest of the things as it is. So B is equal to 360 degree minus 150 degree, which is equal to 210 degree. Now let us see question number 10. So these all types are very, very important. So I cannot skip also, children. So in the figure given alongside, AOB is a straight line. So you can see here figure AOB is a straight line. AOB is a straight line. Find the value of x. Where is x? You can see here is x. Here is x. So you have to find out value of x. And also answer each of the following. Okay, so first we'll find out value of x. Then we will see to find all these 4 sub questions. Now let us see how to find the value of x. AOB is a straight line. Whenever AOB is a straight line or x so and so is a straight line comes, always remember 180 degree will come there. Concept of 180 degree, that is this angle AOP plus angle BOP is equal to 180 degree. Means this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degree because AOB is a straight line and it forms 180 degree. So angle AOP plus angle BOP is equal to 180 degree. So angle AOP is x. And what is value of angle AOP? It is x plus 30 degree. X plus 30 degree plus angle BOP is x minus 30 degree, which is equal to 180 degree. So wherever angle AOP is there, write its value. Angle BOP, write its value. Okay. Then now concentrate properly. These concepts are very new for you. We have written value of AOP. We have written value of BOP from the figure. Now plus 30 minus 30 I have cancelled. What is the meaning of cancellation? Meaning of cancellation is 30 minus 30, 0. 30 minus 30, 0. Okay. So x plus x is 2x. Here is 1, here is 1. So 1 plus 1, 2 and x as it is. Okay. So x plus x is 2x is equal to this 180 degree. Right. Now here 2x is equal to 180 degree. So 2 multiplied by x here. 2x means 2 multiplied by x. But we have to find value of x alone. So let x stay here and let 2 get transposed to RHS. But now here multiplication is there. Here multiplication is there. So 2 is associated with x in connection with multiplication. So when this 2 gets transposed to RHS, it goes in division. It goes in division. Since this multiplication becomes division. So 180 divided by 2. So multiplication becomes division. How plus became minus, minus became plus during transposition. Similarly, multiplied by x, 2 multiplied by x, x kept here. 2 when transposed to RHS, it got divided by 2. Why? Because here is multiplication. Plus become minus, minus becomes plus. Similarly, multiplication becomes division, division becomes multiplication when we are transposing. So 180 degree upon 2 is 90 degree. Alright. So value of x we have got. Value of x is 90 degree. Now let us give the answers. First question is asked, what is angle AOP? Angle AOP is question mark. Okay. So the value of angle AOP is x plus 30 degree. So I have written x plus 30 degree. Now what is value of x? Value of x is 90 degree. So value of x 90 degree plus 30 degree. So 90 plus 30, 120 degree. Okay. Similarly, find angle BOP. Now where is angle BOP? Angle BOP is x minus 30 degree. So x minus 30 degree. What is value of x we have got? We have got value of x is 90 degree. So substitute value of x here. In place of x, write down 90 degree minus 30 degree as it is. So 90 minus 30 degree is 60 degree. Okay, the second question is done. Now question asked is, let us see the third question. Which angle is obtuse? Now we have found two angles. Angle AOP which is 120 and angle BOP which is 60. So which angle is obtuse? So obviously 120 degree is obtuse because it is more than 90 degree. Since angle AOP is equal to 120 degree which is more than 90 degree. 120 is greater than 90 degree. So it is obtuse angle. And and fourth question is, which is acute angle? Angle BOP is equal to 60 degree, which is less than 90 degree. So it is an acute angle. So all the four sub questions we have answered. Now last question of this exercise we are going to see. We are going to do it. So in the figure given alongside, lines AB and CD intersect at O. You can understand here, lines AB and line CD intersect at point O. Okay. Then find the value of A. So where is A? This is A. So we have to find out value of A. Right? Then name all the pairs of vertically opposite angles. Name all the pairs of adjacent angles. Okay, these questions we'll see. Well, let us solve one by one. Okay. First, see the figure once again. Lines AB and CD intersect each other at point O. This is point O. Okay, and you have to find out first A. What is the value of A? So, you know that now. AOB is a straight line. I told you AOB is a straight line. Whenever straight line comes, what you will do? What you will do is you will add these two angles and you will subtract one angle from 180 degree. So angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. So what is angle AOC? Angle AOC is 68 degree. What is angle BOC? Angle BOC is A. So is equal to 180 degree. So value of AOC is written, BOC is written, and 180 as usual. So we have to find here value of A. So value of A should be kept in LHS and plus 68 should be transposed to RHS. So it becomes 180 degree minus 68 degree, which is 112 degree. So first question we have got the answer. A is equal to 112 degree. Now write pairs of vertically opposite angles. So let us see the pairs of vertically opposite angle. Angle AOC and angle DOB. So this is 68. This angle is also 68 because of vertically opposite angles. So angle AOC and angle DOB are vertically opposite angles, first pair. Which is the second pair? Angle AOD and angle BOC are the second pair. Okay, you can write here and also. Means this angle and this angle, also this angle and this angle. Third question is, you can see the third question here. Name all the pairs of adjacent angles. Name all the pairs of adjacent angles. So let us see the pairs of adjacent angles. Adjacent angles means which share one arm. Angle AOC and angle BOC. So which is the one arm and one vertex? OC is the one arm and O is the vertex. So angle AOC and angle BOC are adjacent angles because OC is the common arm. Then angle BOC and angle BOD are again adjacent angles because OB is the common arm. Then angle BOD and angle DOA is the other pair of adjacent angle because OD is the common arm. And last pair is angle DOA and angle AOC because OA is the common arm. Okay. Now, next is write down reflex angles. Name all the reflex angles formed and write measure of each. So, let us name all the reflex angles and not write the measure of each. Okay, let us cancel, write the measure of each. So, we are not writing measure, we are writing only names of reflex angle. Reflex angle, you know, outside angle. So, if BOC if we are talking about A, what is reflex of angle BOC? It is this. Reflex of angle BOC is this angle. Okay, this will be reflex of angle BOC. Similarly, reflex of angle BOD. So we have written here reflex of angle BOC. Then AOC, reflex of angle AOC is this, right? This angle. reflex of angle AOD is this, and reflex of angle BOD is this. Reflex angle BOD means outside part we have to consider. So all the names we have written here, please go through it and please see this twice to understand, because these are new concept. So I hope you will understand, and please go through it twice or thrice and see video, because this is completely new concept. Okay, thank you so much and please take care.